Hello everyone! Welcome back to HLB Visa Consultancy. Ikaw ba ay may balak mag-travel pauwi at paalis ng Pilipinas? Paano may iwasan na ma-delay o kaya ma-cancel yung flight mo? Ano ba yung best na airlines na pwede nyo pong i-book na totally safe at hindi masasayang yung pera, yung effort at yung excitement po ninyo? Ako sa mga nakaranas na sobrang excited na umuwi ng Pilipinas pero na-cancel yung flight kasi yung flight ko ay may layover sa Middle East. So today's vlog, I would like to share to you the best option na pwede nyong ma-book na airlines na hindi dadaan ng Middle East at hindi nyo rin kailangan ng transit visa. Number one, most recommended via East Asia. So ito po yung mga eroplano na galing sa East Asian countries. Kaya po ng Singapore Airlines ng Singapore, Qatar Pacific ng Hong Kong, Korean Air ng Korea, Japan Airlines ng Japan, at Nippon Airlines ng Japan. So kung ito yung flight ticket mo, totally safe at hindi po ito dumadaan ng Middle East at hindi po kailangan ng transit visa kung ikaw ay hindi lalabas ng airport. Kaantay ka lang sa loob ng airport para makalipat ng eroplano papunta sa destination country po ninyo. So for my client, I always recommend Cathay Pacific, lalo na sa mga papuntang Europe. Number two is via China or yung mga eroplano na nakabase po sa China. This is also a very good alternative, lalo na tuan po or almost fully booked na yung mga flight na coming from East Asian countries. And so far, madaming nagsasabi na expensive na daw yung mga ticket. So, you can think about this alternative na mag-book po kayo ng mga airlines that based in China, kagaya po ng China Eastern Airlines at China Southern Airlines. So, lahat po ito nakabase sa China. Kung kailangan ba ng transit visa for China, commonly allowed if you will stay 24 to 72 hours inside of the airport, hindi po kailangan ng transit visa. Number three, via Taiwan route. So, na-experience ko na to from Philippines, Taiwan, and Germany. And wow, napaka-comfortable. Napakalapit lang nito sa Pilipinas. So, in just 1 hour, nasa Taiwan ka na and lilipat ka na agad sa ibang eroplano para sa destination country mo. One of my favorite is China Airlines. Wow, super linis, super comfortable. Yes, China Airlines and EVA Air. So these two airlines, nakabase po sila sa Taiwan. And the good thing is there is no transit visa needed for Filipino. Number four, mga airlines na nakabase sa Europe. So they are very aware na kailangan po nilang iwasan ang Middle East route. So kahit pa European Airlines yan, naghahatid po sila ng pasahero sa Asia. So for example, dito is yung Lufthansa. Pangalawa is Air France. So third one is KLM Airlines and Finnair Airlines. So lahat ito hindi dumadaan sa Middle East. And the good thing is hindi po kailangan ng transit visa for Filipino if you will just stay inside of the airport. So wag kayong lalabas ng airport. Take note mga Filipino, kapag may mahaba kayong layover, kapag hindi po authorized ng airlines yung paglabas ninyo ng airport, please don't. Otherwise, ma-offload kayo or madi-deport kayo. So, isa ito sa misconception ng mga Filipino that if they have long layover, for example, sabihin na natin na yung layover is sa Switzerland and yung destination country nila is UK, for example. And because of that, ayaw nila magantay ng matagal sa airport. Lumalabas sila, namamasyal sila in the city. Balik nila sa airport, hinahanapan na sila ng immigration ng Schengen visa. So kasi guys, ang Filipino kailangan ng Schengen visa papasok ng Europe or ng Schengen area. Kung wala kayo nito or hindi nyo kabisado yung airport rules, immigration rules, to be safe, just stay inside of the airport. Marami din kasing nagtatanong sa akin, "Ay ma, may layover po ako sa sa France. Ay ma, may layover po ako sa Turkey, sa Greece. So can I go out from the airport para po makapamasyal?" And I don't recommend if you don't have, there is specified visa for Filipino. And if you don't want to risk your money and your flight, please avoid booking flight in this airlines. Kasi wala pa po itong kasiguraduhan kung kailan matatapos yung gulo sa Middle East, no? So kahit sabihin na natin na ay June pa yung aking flight, ay July pa yung aking flight, so it's better to avoid this. So avoid booking Qatar Airways. So ito talaga yung pinaka-affected dito. Avoid booking your flight in Emirates Airlines. Also avoid Etihad Airlines, Bahrain Airlines. So, Oman, okay, until now, safe pa rin ang Oman. Pero if I will be the passenger, iiwas din ako sa Oman kasi sobrang lapit din nila sa sa place kung saan meron war, 'di ba? So nakakatakot tumaan sa Middle East this time. And important reminder for Filipino, if you will just be staying inside of the airport, hindi kayo lalabas, no transit visa is needed. Pero kung matigas ang ulo mo, lumabas ka, then transit visa o kaya naman the specified visa for that country is needed. At among the airlines na nabanggit ko, ito yung pinaka-recommended. Choose Singapore Airlines and Cathay Pacific. So itong dalawa na to, nakabase ito sa Singapore and sa Hong Kong. So kung may layover kang mahaba, even though lumabas ka ng airport, makakabalik ka. Kasi visa-free ang Singapore and Hong Kong for Filipino. So wala ng transit visa at wala ka pang special visa na kailangan. So, and that is for today's vlog. I hope sa mga nagtatanong sa akin, mapanood nyo po ito and makahanap kayo ng best airlines na pwede po sa inyo. Guys, thank you so much. If you still have inquiries or any question, so comment your question below or email me in this email address or follow my Facebook page. That is for today's vlog. Guys, thank you so much.